This is Android 16. Android 16 will be one of the biggest Android redesigns ever. At Google I/O, Google will be updating the Android design language from Material 3 to Material 3 Expressive. Material 3 Expressive is Google's new expressive design language that is easier to use with bolder shapes and new color palettes. This leaked screenshot of the Clock app shows the new Expressive redesign with bigger buttons, thicker lines, and a new font. And this Gmail app concept by Google shows how the focus of Material 3 Expressive is on usability. Google's leaked blog post says that people found the send button 4 times faster with this new design. This expressive design extends to other system elements, such as the Settings app and the Google Account Settings page, which are getting more colorful. The volume panel is also redesigned with Material 3 Expressive sliders, making it instantly clear what your volume levels are set to. A couple of months ago, I showed off my mock-ups of Google's redesigned split notification and quick settings panel based on the leaks. Swiping down from the right side opened the redesigned quick settings panel, and swiping down from the left side opened the notification panel. However, thanks to updated information from reliable Android leaker Mishaal Rahman, it seems that that's not happening. Instead, Google is reportedly planning on a complete visual overhaul of the current unified panel. The big visual theme here seems to be frosted glass, which adds a modern layered depth effect. And the quick settings isn't the only place we're seeing the frosted glass look. It is also coming to the recent apps page in the app drawer. The frosted glass gives these pages a really nice effect, which is so much better than the plain white or black background. And the Wi-Fi and cellular signal icons are now more modern, with a separate line for each level of signal strength. The battery icon is rotated 90 degrees, which allows the battery percentage to be inside the battery. In an effort to make Android 16 more fun and customizable, we'll be getting a total of 5 custom Material 3 expressive icon shapes. A leaked Google blog post shows that people of all ages prefer Google's new expressive design over the non-expressive iOS design. Overall, Android 16 and Material 3 Expressive is one of the biggest Android redesigns in history. This is the major Android redesign that I've been wanting for so long. Unfortunately, most of these Android 16 features probably won't be available when the first Android 16 build launches. We're hoping to get a timeline of when we can expect these major features at the I/O Edition Android show on May 13th or Google I/O on May 20th. If you enjoy Pixel and Android content, please consider liking the video and subscribing to help grow the Pixel community on YouTube. Thanks for watching Pixelo.